Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make an egg sandwich at home without cheese. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You will need 2 to 3 fresh eggs, 2 slices of your preferred bread, and seasonings such as salt and pepper. Make sure you have a non-stick pan and a spatula ready. For extra flavor and nutrition, think about adding some fresh spinach or a few thin tomato slices to your sandwich. Now let's cook those eggs perfectly. Crack 2 large eggs into a small bowl and whisk them vigorously until the yolks and whites are fully combined. Next, heat 1 tablespoon of butter or a neutral oil in your non-stick pan over medium heat. Once the pan is hot, pour in the egg mixture. Let it cook undisturbed for about 1 minute, then gently scramble or fold until the eggs are just set and fluffy. With your eggs cooked, it's time to assemble your delicious sandwich. Start by toasting 2 slices of your favorite bread to your desired level of crispness. While the toast is warm, spread a thin, even layer of mayonnaise, mustard, or a spread of your choice on one side of each slice. Carefully transfer your fluffy, cooked eggs onto one slice of the prepared toast, ensuring they are evenly distributed for a satisfying bite. Finally, it's time to customize and enjoy your homemade egg sandwich. Feel free to add extra toppings like sliced fresh avocado, a dash of your favorite hot sauce, or a sprinkle of fresh chives or parsley for an aromatic touch. Place the second slice of toast on top, cut it in half if you like, and serve immediately to savor the warm, comforting flavors. And hey, if you're looking for a great way to stay hydrated, check out the Owala water bottle link in the description, along with other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.